Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Valeriana Dodengo, and now I will explain to you all about using WhatsApp in teaching reading. So for the first is an introduction. So WhatsApp is created by Jane Combe and Brian Acton in Mountain View in California, United States. So it is one of the most popular applications that are used by people in communication with each other. Among online applications like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Line, WhatsApp, and so on, WhatsApp is the most famous communication application. Next, what is WhatsApp? WhatsApp is a media platform that provides a variety of features that can assist teaching and student in the distance and long distance learning process. So what is the WhatsApp benefit? So using WhatsApp will make it easier to convey information more precisely and effectively. So WhatsApp can provide effectiveness in communicating, interacting easily and quickly, especially delivering learning information. Next, why WhatsApp is important. As an instant messaging application, WhatsApp has an important role in communication. But for personal and group, with WhatsApp, users can send text message, photos, audio, and video call. Next, what is reading? So reading is the process to get information from books, newspaper, magazines, journalists, comics, and the internet. Then we can take the meaning of this media. When we read, we use our eyes to receive writing symbols, namely letters, punctuation, and space. We use our brains to convert them into word, sentence, and paragraph that communicate something to us. Next, reading benefit. The benefit of reading can train the brain to be able to think more critically and analyze the problem present in what we read. We like getting access or a way to get into the storyline and help in completing the story. Next, the relationship between WhatsApp and learning reading. So reading activities can be in the form of documents or reading text, video, and image. This means that reading activities can be given to students in various forms through the available platforms, one of which is WhatsApp. Reading material can be shared on the WhatsApp group to make it easier for students get the reading material. So reading activities in the WhatsApp group are also used to improve student reading comprehension that has been learned in class. Note that this activity turn extensive classroom work into WhatsApp group activity. Another use of this activity is that it can be accessed by at anywhere and anytime. For the last part is conclusion. WhatsApp message can be used as a learning media besides as a communication tool. It makes the teacher and the student are easy to communicate and discuss reading material before going to the class to improve student reading comprehension. So that's all my presentation for today.
Morning. Okay, so now we will start our class and we will study our material about explanation text. Do someone can explain to me what is explanation text? Nothing?
This is a plan of text or maybe something
Like this? Let's see.
but I still don't understand them. Can you tell me?
Okay, now I will tell you about what is explanation text. So, explanation text is a type of text that explains a process. So, this text is almost the same as the procedure text. But if procedure text explains how to do something, then explanation text explains how something happened. Next. But before that, do you understand what I explained before? Okay. The function of explanation text. Explanation text is a text that has a social function to explain or analyze the process of the appearance or occurrence of something in detail. Explanation text contains the logical relationship of events that occur or arise because of events that occurred before. Next, the purpose of writing explanation text. Explanation text is a text to provide a clear explanation. Usually, explanation text contain explanation about social, natural, or cultural phenomena. The purpose of writing this text is to inform the teacher about how something works or why something happens. Next. First type of explanation text. There are two types of writing explanation text, namely as follows. Text that explain why something happens, like why the glass fogs up when we take a shower. Number two, text that describe how something happened, such as how an avalanche could happen. Next, second type of explanation text. Theoretical explanation is the first. Is text that describe or contain its own speculation is an event. Second, frontal explanation text is a type of text that gives the stage of an event occurring in succession. Third, casual explanation text, which is a type of text that explains the course of an incident in stage. Fourth, factorial explanation text, namely the type of text that explains the consequences or impact that occur from an event. Next, structure explanation text. Structure is one of most important parts in the process of writing explanation text. There are some explanation text structures. Number one, titles. The title used does not need to be wordy and must match what is written. Two, opening statement. You must use strong opening statement so that your writing is convincing. Number three, sequencing. The form of short paragraph in writing is also very important so that readers don't get bored reading paragraphs that are too long and your writing is easy to understand. 3. Conclusion. Conclusion are neat so that with the writing you make look more valid. Visual such as pictures, photo, or diagram can be real proof that what you write is not just an easy story and sign. Next, explanation text features. Using chronological conjunctions such as next, first, then, to behind with, and others. Use catchy titles. Use correct scientific and technical terms. Explanation that is always written in the present and from the third person perspective. And the last, using noun phrase. Wait, I will send the explanation in WhatsApp group. Example in the WhatsApp group, please have a look. Already?
Not yet.
Examples. Done? That fill the sky with colorful light. Its billions of flashes occur in squares. The auroras appear to move or dance in the sky. Earth's magnetic field streams the charged particle towards the poles. The shape of Earth's magnetic field creates two auroral ovals above the north and south magnetic poles. That is why auroras occur almost every night in the northern sky from August to May. The aurora often appears a curtain of light, but they can also be arcs or spirals, following lines inverse in Earth's magnetic field. Most are green in color, but sometimes you'll see a hint of pink. Strong display might also have red, violet, and white colors. The lights typically appear in the far north, the nation bordering the Arctic Ocean, Canada, Scandinavian countries, Iceland, Russia, and the state of Alaska. But strong displays can extend down into more southerly latitudes. The color in the aurora were once a source of mystery throughout human history, but science says the different gases in Earth's atmosphere give off different color when they are excited. Oxygen gives off the green color of aurora. For example, nitrogen comes
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I want you all to make a 4 group. Yeah, and I will ask each of you to find an example of explanation text based in the types that I explained earlier. So namely, group 1 will look for about theoretical explanation. Group 2 about sequential explanation. Group 3 about causal explanation. And group 4 about factorial explanation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I will give 10 minutes to search, and example can be taken from any media and from to read them. But if until the time is up and no one is ready, so we will start from group 1. Ready? And after reading in the front of the example, it can be shared in WhatsApp group so other people can easily to understand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
The student read the material in the front. After that, the student send the material in the groups so that the other student can be easily to see and more understand about the material.
Okay, so student, that's all our material for today. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, ma'am.